What if I told you not all tropical drinks contain rum? You want to find out? Take a step into my office. The Green Chartreuse Swizzle. This sounds like a sweet your grandparents would eat in the 1930s that would kill off the bubonic plague. This cocktail is relatively recent. It was created in 2003, and I'm going to butcher this name, by Marco Dionysos at Harry Denton's Starlight Room in San Francisco. The ingredient lineup: Green Chartreuse, and I've absolutely battered through the big bottles whenever I've got them, so I'm left with this dinky fun sized one. Falernum, pineapple juice and fresh lime juice. And as it's a swizzle, you're going to need a ton of pebble ice, or crushed ice would do. Ideally pebble, as you can be a bit more forgiving when you work with it. Crushed, you're going to have to move quickly. So when people talk about swizzle cocktails, they're made with a swizzle stick, hence where the name comes from. But if you don't have this, you can use a bar spoon, but just don't get any cheap, gimmicky, rip-off metal swizzle stick. You see them all around the place. They look like those really crap head massages people used to get. So yeah, just try and get the wooden ones. You can find them in lots of different sort of cocktail stores. Tiki places will have them as well. So make sure you get them in. With this one, we're assembling it in the glass, and to kick it off, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml, of Green Chartreuse to our glass. It's like watching gold go down the drain when you do this. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of our falernum. Then we want 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of our pineapple juice. And I knew I was going to spill a bit down there, but it's been a long day. So a little bit of an update on the old channel and the situation. So I'm having some legal issues right now about moving into the new gaff and when the new bar will be built, but you know, let's keep positive, it's going to happen. So lastly, we want to add 3/4 ounce. That's 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. You must excuse me laughing. There's a bit of a dog scrap going on right now in my house. So now it's relatively simple. We're just going to top up the glass about 1/2 to 2/3 full with pebble, crushed ice. And then we use our swizzle stick. So what we're going to do, push it right the way down to the bottom of the glass, and then just like you're making a fire, it's going to go like this, up and down. So one of the questions you might be asking, like, how do you know it's done? Well, the glass will get very frosted on the outside. What you're going to just do is really incorporate this liquid. Looking almost done. So right, what we're going to do is going to cap this off with more of this pebble ice. I like to always do a little bit of a snow cone along it. So then we want to garnish, and this is looking really haggardy. We're going to garnish this with some mint sprigs. Feel free to go to town with whatever else you have. So then, the all-important taste test. Right up my street this is. So right, Green Chartreuse. Firstly, doesn't overpower it, which I had a thought that it would do. It really plays quite nicely with the other ingredients. The falernum brings that nice bit of spice. You get the herbaceousness from the Chartreuse, but the pineapple juice brings a real nice sweetness along. Really sort of settles it and puts it in the right direction, and then you finish off with that sort of citrusy zing and the lime. Really good drink this. I often think with swizzles you go on and you get the Queen's Park, which is a fave. Rum swizzle, good one. Do you think would this match up to expectations? And it certainly has. Really good. And I think if you're like somebody who haven't quite made your mind up about Chartreuse in particular, the green variety, and I can be a little bit on that kind of side. I'm not the biggest fan of it all, but yeah, it tastes really decent. It's got a really sort of cool colour to it all. Suits spring a little bit more than summer, I'd say, but the pineapple juice and the flavours in it all, they shout out tropics, don't they? So right, the scores on the doors. I want to go with this one, a really respectable 7.8 out of 10. Nice drink, I'll definitely be making this again.